If you have landed yourself in this area where the yellow is on this side and this side of layer 3, what we do is we just make sure that it face this two is face this side, this direction, and you follow this. Just follow what I do. Move up, move up, move right, move down, move back right, move down, move right, move back up, move down, move this way, and you move down. See, it goes this way. Now again, one more time, move up, move up, move this way, move this way, move this way, move this way, move, then again, now you can follow the easiest way to solve Rubik's Cube, layer 3, 3 of 3. So here I've shown you two methods. One is the yellow here, yellow is this side and this side, and then there's now you move yellow here and yellow this side. All these are yellow. That's it.